You step on the gas pedal to pass someone on the highway, but your vehicle falls completely flat on its face, suffering from incredibly poor acceleration and terrible fuel economy. You pull over, scan the computer, and find code P0086, telling you the exhaust valve control solenoid circuit is high on bank 2. If you drive a vehicle built after 1996 with variable valve timing, your engine uses engine oil pressure to dynamically adjust the camshaft position, maximizing your horsepower and efficiency on the fly. The powertrain control module operates this system by sending a highly precise pulse width modulated electrical signal to the exhaust valve control solenoid, which acts like a gatekeeper for that pressurized engine oil. When the computer detects that the voltage returning from this solenoid circuit is way above the normal specifications, it immediately triggers the check engine light. Bank 2 simply refers to the side of the engine block that does not contain cylinder number 1, and this solenoid is usually bolted right onto the exhaust manifold side of the cylinder head. The absolute first thing you should do is check the electrical harness. Constant exposure to extreme exhaust heat often bakes these wires until the plastic insulation cracks, allowing the exposed wires to touch each other or ground out against the engine block. Unplug the connector and look for any burnt pins or loose terminals. If it looks good visually, you will need a digital voltometer to test the internal resistance of the solenoid itself. Set your meter to ohms and probe the 2 terminals on the solenoid. If the screen shows an over-limit reading or almost zero resistance, the internal magnetic coil is completely fried and you need a new solenoid. If the solenoid passes the test, switch your meter to volts, ground the negative lead, and probe the harness side to see if there is a short to power pushing rogue voltage into the circuit. Remember that this entire system relies heavily on clean engine oil to function properly. Sludge from skipped maintenance can easily jam the mechanical parts of the solenoid, making the computer think there is an electrical fault, when it is actually just a severe plumbing issue. Always ensure your oil is clean and topped off before testing the complex electrical diagnostics, because sometimes a fresh oil change and a new filter can solve variable valve timing headaches before they even start.